Hi there, I'm Jules. I'm so grateful that you stopped by my website to learn more about me and my company. I have been so blessed to do so many different things. I truly love helping people, helping them to live their most authentic life, to be happy and joyful and creative. It really warms my heart. You know, I started in the hobby and craft industry 20 some years ago, completely by accident, some would say, except for we all know there was a plan. And I was really blessed to work with Aline Jackson, the inventor of tacky glue in the gold bottle. And so that experience was, you couldn't pay for that. She was an incredible woman who was a pioneer of an industry, and I learned so much from her. My career has expanded over 25 plus years. I have developed products. I've been involved in sales and marketing. I've been on air. I don't think it's an exaggeration to say possibly 10,000 plus times, especially if you add up all the times I was on Aline's Creative Living, Carol Duvall Show, PBS, HGTV, QVC, HSN, Jewelry Television, and the list goes on and on. But the most favorite time that I've had is traveling the world, meeting people, sharing with them this creative gift that I learned from my grandmother and my mom. And there's just, there's something about made by hand, the whole process, whether it's crafting or jewelry making or cooking, baking pies, building a garden, you name it. There's just an awesome connection between doing something and healing. And really that's my thing. I love helping people. I love teaching. And all of the other things that I've been able to do in this career have been an incredible blessing that have led me right to here. And there's a plethora of detailed information below this video that you can get more details on my experience, whether it be on air, product development. As you may or may not know, I've invented a product called the Jewel Loom. I have the US patent on it, which is incredible in itself. And, I truly, truly am happy and grateful for this life and that I get to share it with you.